So hello, today you're going to do a animal puzzle, or what I like to call an animal puzzle. It basically just has, if you look at the pieces, like this is one piece. So the question is here at the bottom, and then the answers are at the top. And these questions and these answers don't correlate, but this is the question, and the answer to this problem at the bottom will be on the top of another puzzle piece. So what you're going to do is you're going to do all of the work on a separate sheet of paper. I'm going to show the work on the screen, but you're going to do the work in your notebooks. So you're going to take this equation, x squared minus 16x plus 64. And to solve it, we're going to factor. Okay? So remember yesterday when converting, we kind of talked about factoring by guess and check. So we're going to continue with that method. If guess and check is just not working for you, let me know and I will assist you. So basically, first we have x squareds. So we have x squareds. And this is an easy factor because there's no number in front of this x squared. So we can go ahead and think, well, what two numbers multiplied together will give me 64? But when I add them, will give me minus 16. Well, hopefully you said negative 8 and negative 8, okay? Those are my two guesses, and now I'm going to check to make sure that my two guesses are correct. So I have x times x, which is x squared. I have x times negative 8, negative 8x, negative 8 times x, negative 8x, and then negative 8 times negative 8 is a positive 64. And I know this is correct because when I add these two x's in the middle, that gives me minus 16, and then I have x squared, and then I have plus 64. Okay? So now I'm going to set these two factors equal to 0. So I have x minus 8 equals to 0. And so add 8 to both sides, so that means x is a positive 8, okay? And you should notice that these two equations are the exact same, so that means in this case we're only going to have one x-intercept. Okay? Also, we're going to graph it, just a quick sketch, it doesn't have to be exact. So all I really need is an x and y-axis like that. And this is x equals 8, and so I know x equals 8 is going to be somewhere, let's just say it's right here. It's going to be somewhere on this x-axis right here. Okay? And since my it's going to open up, because this number in front of x squared is positive, and then it only touches the x-axis one time, so this is the only way that my graph could touch the x-axis just one time right here. Okay? And now we're going to find which other puzzle piece has x plus 8 at the top. So I'm going to delete the work, and that work should be in your notebook. And then I'm going to scroll down till I find x equals 8. It's right here with the elephant. So I'm just going to bring this puzzle piece all the way to the top, if I can figure out how to move it. There we go. There we go. Almost there. Nope. Not almost there. Oh, now I'm there. Okay, so I first started with the giraffe, and now I'm at the elephant. So now I'm going to do the exact same thing for this elephant. So I'm going to take this equation, 5x squared plus 8x minus 4 equals to 0. I'm going to factor it. I'm going to solve for my factors, and then I'm going to find the answer on another puzzle piece, and I'm going to graph. Okay? If ordering it takes too long, like it just took me a couple seconds to move the elephant up, that's fine. You could just write the animals' names. So you could start with giraffe and then say elephant, and then, if that makes sense. Okay? And that's the directions for today. Good luck. If you have any questions, please ask me. I'm here to help you.